Forex trading has become so popular that if you ask any random stranger if they've heard about it, there's a high probability that they have even tried trading. So what exactly is Forex trading? Now, Forex trading is just a career where you click the mouse and make money. Simple as that. Now, 90% of traders also lose money. So, do the guys who lose money get to be called traders? The guys who have mastered the mouse click make all the money. And in this video, we are going to talk about how you can make money just by clicking your mouse. Now, you know how you can tell it's going to rain just by observing the weather patterns. This same use of pattern recognition aids in Forex trading. So in simple terms, Forex trading is betting that certain currencies, commodities, stocks, etc. will rise or fall in price based off of specific patterns. So the point is, buy when the prices are low or sell when the prices are high. This is obvious. This is a no-brainer. Now, this is what a chart looks like. In fact, this is how a chart looks like. It might look like a random graph going up and down, but this is the secret to making money clicking the mouse. So there are many types of charts and they all show how the price is moving. So this is called a candlestick chart. So if you're a beginner, this is what you will be using most of the time. Now, we can also switch to a line graph, and this is what you see in most advertisements, these financial sites. We can also look at columns, also look at bars. All these do the same thing. They show you where the price is and what is happening throughout the market. If you are planning on starting your journey on Forex trading, you must understand why 90% of traders lose money before even diving into the next video where I teach you what you need to start trading. So, most traders are beginners and they underestimate the amount of work required both in learning the skill and becoming a strong-minded person to make money trading. So think about this scenario. If I gave you $10,000 today, what would you do? In reality, most people won't do what they said they would do. Only when the money is gone do they remember, I was supposed to do this and that and that. And this is the same thing that happens in Forex trading. To become profitable, you must be able to stick to your word. Become reliable and consistent as a person first. Then you'll be ready to make money. Humans are more risk averse. Think about it. Losing is 3 times as painful as the joy of receiving something new. So, and Forex trading involves losing money all the time. It's part of the game. However, traders feel the pain and in attempting to recover, get more blows from the market. Now, there is a bright side to that, and that is there are demo accounts to test your skills with. Even if the stats say 90% of traders lose money, everybody thinks they are different. And if you think you are, this video is for you. This is a serious video from beginner to pro chart analyst. So subscribe to never miss any videos from the series. See you in the next video. Peace out.